Our very first snow today, everyone. No school, nothing. This is the sidewalk that walk to our house. Look at the step. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at the tree. Everything else is covered with snow. It's about 8 to 10 inches. Look at this. Unbelievable. Nobody on the street. Everything else is closed. It's still falling until 1 o'clock in the afternoon, so that's why the people don't bother to shovel or plow the snow, because it doesn't make sense. Look at the tree. Unbelievable. And this is like on the stair. You can't hardly see anything. Looks so sad. Nobody on the street. It's my wind charmer still making that beautiful sound. Tree all the way over there. It looked like the poster. Isn't that poster for Christmas? You can actually snapshot the picture all the way over there and make it like a Christmas card right here. Beautiful. No car go by because everybody's staying home today. Everything else closed. Everything closed. School closed. Nobody out in shovel because the snow continued to fall until 1 p.m. Now it's only 9 o'clock. Oh.
No. Do I just walk in the snow?
Yeah.
God, I don't know what everything is. Can you keep this fun? The video so it'll be funny. Oh yeah, everyone, I do not know where I'm stepping. Tree.
Oh.
I was in my blanket this morning and then I saw my friend outside to go free in the snow and I said, I will too. Just went outside.
Look at that snow.
So much snow.
And you know what the thing is? It's fluffy.
Which is easier, I'm pretty sure. Because
Yeah.
if you have hard snow or packed snow.
Look at Ethan try to clear the car. Oh, look at that.
I'm making an egg
It's a
glue.
good thing it's a fluffy snow.
I'm making this into a packed
Look at that.
snowball.
It's like 8 or 10 inches.
I touched
goodness.
something, huh?
I'm tired.
Then why can you just go inside and have a hot cup of tea? Oh.
I think we'll go inside and go on the exercise, the massage. Yeah. Look at that. Oh,
Oh.
okay. Let's try to, yeah, that's snow right here. Look at the road. Oh. Good thing we shower before the kid. Because when you step on it, it's really hard to shovel. Look at that.
I guess no.
Okay, you cleaning that? I'm gonna clean the driveway here, just in case. The main thing that we do after the snow, that we need to clear out the driveway. Because, God forbid something happen, we need to dry out. Oh my goodness.
Wait, you just keep
Look at,
Hey, you're already walking there?
alright.
Stinky cobby.
Ren, you want the shovel?
No. I see a rock right away. Snow day with us.
Snow day.
Yeah, thank you for the shard of snubble.
Ethan. Look at Ethan on the baby swoon. It's a good memory, so they don't want to donate it.
I like noise.
Look at that.
Yay! Everybody, how are you on this very? How is everybody on this very snow day?
Not everybody get the snow.
Snow. Oh, snow.
Look at that. Look at the deck
Yeah, deck
over with snow.
Deck is full.
Oh my goodness. This is the backyard, so we don't care. Okay, you stay in the backyard. I'm gonna shovel the snow in the car, okay? Alright?
Hi.
Look at the snow in this driveway. OMG. I'm gonna do some more. Look at the top of the car. This is my car, and in the front is my husband's car. Oh my goodness, look at that. Too much snow. Too much. Oh.
We made a cube.
OMG, what's that?
A cube. We made it from a crate.
Look at your cheek. It's all red. Are you get cold?
No. Yes.
Yes? Boo. Brandon, I'm going in. Who
All
go
right,
in?
bye. Bye.
Who go in?
No one.
Oh, you cold, but you're not going in. Okay.
I'll stay in the car then.
No, you stay in the car. You're gonna get messy in the car. You're not gonna bring that to the car, right?
No, the morning you see there's a snowman in the driver's seat.
Okay. All right, I'm going inside, guy. I cannot handle anymore.
Bye. Okay, bye.
Oh.
Who's gonna stay out with us?
Daddy.
Are
But
you
you're
good?
gonna come in, okay?
We will in
I
an
don't
hour
want
or
you to-
so.
No, like an hour.
My
Okay,
bones
go
are
play.
broken. Man, look, my bone's broken.
Don't do that. Don't say that. All right, hey, Ethan, are you cold? Ethan, are you cold? Your hand. Get the.
Can I have it? Can I have it? No, I'm not.
All right,
Can I have it?
get the sleep down,
my
okay?
God, we got the chicken. We got the chicken roasted.